This camera doesn't do this hill much justice, man, but it is very, very steep. You're only getting two wheels spinning. Hey, back on up. Back on up. Honestly, this one looks a little more doable, man. You know it? Alright. Yeah, stay where you are, honey. Hang on. I think this one's more doable, man. Dad, look, I think the only thing that would even give you a problem would be that rock, but I think if you put your tires on it, you'll go right over it and just straddle to the right, dude. That looks more doable than that. That one gets real steep up there where you're getting stuck. But be careful, don't fuck your truck up on that rock. Stay right there, honey. Stay in front of, stay over here behind my truck. Go up on the rock.
Daddy, I want to show you something.
Hang on.
That rock.
Man, if you wouldn't have stopped, hey, if you wouldn't have stopped, you would have had it. Stay right here. Look, sit right here on the bumper. Come here. Sit right here. Let me come up.
Side of that rock is a big ass hole.
I didn't see that. Let me go up here and look. Hang on, honey. That's right. Stay right there. Not right here, it ain't. Be careful. Don't fuck your truck up. Look. Now turn to the left. Right. Oh, never mind. You're not going to make it.
You're in a bad bind, ain't you?
Yeah, you're not going to make it. It's too soft over there.
Let's try this other one out here, man. Yeah, we ain't sitting up that one yet.
Yeah, I know it.